guys, happy Friday. I am gonna show you real quick a 5-minute trick. I get a lot of people asking about, my hair and do I spend a ton of time on it, and the answer is no. I haven't washed my hair probably in 3 or 4 days. I can't wash my hair every day, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This is typically like when I shower, I'll just throw it up in a bun, and then I'll just take it down. And then if you guys are watching this live, I want you guys to put a 1 and let me know if you've tried dry shampoo before, or if you wash your hair every day. And then if you're watching it on the replay, I still want to know the same thing. Let me know if you guys wash your hair every day or if you've tried dry shampoo. So the one that I use is, I'll just kind of like pull it down. And then I use this one. I'll link it below. It's my little trial size. So all I do, shake it up and just put probably like that much. And I love this one because it doesn't leave a residue after. Sometimes like I'll get, I've purchased some of the spray ones and I get like white flakes. So all I do is kind of divide right where my natural line is. And then I'll just kind of grab it and just kind of rub it into my scalp. Right in this front part is where it typically gets oily. So just do that, mix it in. And I see some people on, I just can't see comments. I need to figure this out. So anyways, I'll just keep rubbing it. Hi. And then sometimes it gets stuck like in between my fingers. I'll just kind of grab it and then rub it. So real quick, and then I just grab this brush, and I'm gonna link this brush too. This brush is amazing. I've been using it for a couple years now, and Valentina has a tender head, and so do I. And this stuff gets knots out like really, really good. So then I just kind of brush it out. And I don't do anything to my ends. I do put this, what is it called? Like a wave spray from the same brand. I'll link that one below too. And today, I'm going to be honest with you guys, what I did with my makeup. I know I'm getting off subject real quick, but our blush sense is super pigmented, and that's why my look is kind of like a lot of pink going on. I put too much, and it was like less than a dime size, and I had to mix it up. So I used a little bit with pearlizer for my cheeks, and then I put it on my lids, and then I put it on my lips for like a matte kind of pinky look. I don't think it turned out too bad, but I didn't want to waste it. I was like, oh, I can't waste all this product. Okay, so now that I have my hair brushed out, sorry, I got a call. I'm just going to take the top half and just kind of throw it into like a little mini bun, or I can throw it up into, oh, there it goes. My hair's so long, I like to keep the front out of my face. It's like a super quick. Do that. Sometimes I have to redo this a few times, yeah. Because my hair's so long that my bun looks like a crazy little. All right, maybe I'll just leave it down today. So that's kind of my natural. I don't have any product in it besides the dry shampoo. And then what I take is the wave spray. I'll link that one too. And it just gives it some texture. And kind of just toss it around. I don't put very much. These are my travel size ones. Since I've been traveling so much, I need the travel size. So I bought the travel size, which is really nice. Because then I don't have to like put it into another thing. So that's it. My mom keeps calling. She doesn't know I'm live. So that's it. I just like natural waves, toss it around, and then if you have some like areas right here where it's kind of frizzy, just go ahead and put some more and then kind of brush it down. And then what I do next is I have this little gray coverage because I have some, I don't like to dye my hair very often, so then what I'll do is if I see any, I can't really see any right now, but if I do, I'll just kind of like do a little spray and cover them up, and then I'm good to go for the rest of the day. So when I'm taking my pictures and everything, I'm not even curling my hair. It's literally just some dry shampoo, a natural wave. I really don't even curl my hair anymore, and then just use those 3 products with the brush. So I hope you guys got some use out of that and enjoy your Friday. I will most likely wash my hair tomorrow. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wash it every day because then I start to get like dandruff, or I don't know. It just gets all flaky and stuff, like real dry. So I try not to wash it probably every like 2 to 3 days. So the dry shampoo for me is like my best friend. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, let me know your thoughts on this, and if you are currently using any products that you love, drop them below too so we can share with each other. So you guys have a good day and have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye. Hey loves, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty tips.